here's the old gel, as they call it. I don't know what it truly is. Try to make sure I don't break no mirrors off on this little trail. We'll see if I can. Nope, I can't. Also, hoping my light bars might shine some light in there. Still, creepy concrete building with a bunch of black holes that go nowhere. Look at that. Oh no. Go. Something's moving under there. Whoa. Something big and black was under there. What is I'm getting the heck out of there. Ow. That was crazy. I wonder if I got it on the camera. Anyway, I found these beautiful roses right in front of that building and I kept hearing a noise. And my shotgun was in the truck. I don't know what it is. Probably just a raccoon or something. But I'll go back on this video and see if I can see it. I'm freaking out. I've had to strip my outer layer of clothes off. All my camo and stuff because I got in that poison ivy. And I wiped down with antiseptic towels. Hope and pray that was enough to save me. I don't usually have a lot of troubles with it, but anything can happen, especially the little thorns and stuff from them roses. I've never, but maybe once or twice as a kid, had poison ivy, so I hope and pray I don't get it. It's so beautiful back in here. Listen, you got a creek, the birds chirping, the creek running, just probably, I don't know, 7 or 8 miles to the nearest people. Maybe not that far at this point, I don't know. Pretty good ways. Further than I want to walk. Right. Just peace and quiet. Right. I'm going to check this video.